In this lesson, we're going to find the next number in a sequence of numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says type the next number in the sequence, and we have a series of numbers 1, 5, 10, 16, 23, 31, and question mark. So the first thing to do is to find the pattern. Look at how much to add to each number to get the next number. So the easiest thing to do is to start with the beginning, the first two numbers, okay? So to get from 1 to 5, you add 4. And then to get from 5 to 10, you add 5. To get from 10 to 16, you add 6. To get from 16 to 23, you add 7. And to get from 23 to 31, you add 8. So the amount you add increases by 1 each time. That's the rule. Starts at 4 and increases by 1 each time. So the next thing to do is to add 9 to 31. This is 31. Now we add 9 to get the mystery number. So 31 plus 9 equals 40. The next number in the sequence is 40. So this is how it looks when it's all complete. And that's how you do that problem. So don't worry if you don't understand it right away. You're probably just one explanation away from getting it. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's other videos of mine down there, so just check those out that are related to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you could follow along this exact lesson as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and remember to like and subscribe.